Hello, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, March the 26th. This is a series where we like to show you things that you can expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. This week's video is a little short, so I hope you enjoy it. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I want to apologize for how short this video is. I didn't get the camera out too much this week. I was a little busy with school and stuff, everything all switching to online. But still wanted to get something out for y'all. Everything you saw in this video that I can find will be linked in the description below, so be sure to go click on those links. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.